Friends, very good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending upon your place. In the life, setbacks are common. What's most important thing is how we overcome from the setbacks, how we become stronger and stay resilient, and how we make our life back out of the setbacks. My name is Srinath Natarajan. Today, I would like to tell about my own setbacks and how I overcome from it and what are the key lessons from the setback. It was back in the year 2016. I was in the United States living with my wife. I got a full-time opportunities in a prestigious company. Life was beautiful. I was feeling top of the world. But all of a sudden, one fine day, we had a drastic setback, which makes every member of our family, my wife, myself, my parents, everybody got down. I was in deep sorrow for a longer time. My company supported me, my friends, family members, relatives, everybody supported me. But yet I was taking a lot of time to come out of it. When we are in software world, we have to make sure that we have to contribute at every day and every minute. What I noticed is because of the setback, I was feeling completely down and my performance was drastically impacted. I realized what are the problems and what could be the possible implications. My company, even though they supported me, I was feeling kind of guilty. One fine evening, I went to Starbucks. In the Starbucks, while having cappuccino, I started analyzing the things. It is true that I had a massive setback. What's matter most is how I become resilient. I remembered Sri Krishna's quote, "Setbacks are common in our lives, but a valiant person, a courageous person, never ever get disturbed because of this." The setbacks or happiness are like winter, summer, and spring seasons. A courageous person will not bother about it. He will do his own duties without having any expectations. Pranesh sir clearly said, "Life is like 100-page notebook. It's okay, even 1 or 2 pages are turned down. It's okay. We still have 98 pages. We have to make sure that we have to concentrate on that." So what it implies is, no matter whatever we lost is lost. We have to concentrate on what we have. So these things triggered me to come back to my normal life. I started giving my 200% effort in my office work and my personal work. Within a span of 3 months, I was able to come to my normal life. In fact, I got rewarded because of my performances. After that, I never ever turned back in my profession and my personal life. This is my experience with respect to setbacks and how I overcome from it. The key lessons are, no matter whatever the situation, we have to become more resilient. We have to perform our duty without having any expectations. We have to concentrate on what we have rather than what we don't have. And we also make sure that we have to become more responsible. So these are the key lessons which I learned from my own setbacks. In case if you like this, in case you also have a similar kind of learnings, don't hesitate to share your experience in the comment box. If you like this video, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Having said that, Srinath Natarajan signing off from this video. See you next time. Bye bye.